Hey guys, it is Andrea and today I'm coming at you with the new releases for this week. I'm super excited about this week's releases. We actually have, I feel like, a lot of things that we're going to be releasing. We have some foil items, some scribblers, some vinyls, and then some regular kits as well as some monthly kits. We haven't done a monthly kit in a minute. And then I also have some paper packs to list for Magic 2.0. I also got to get this one out of the way. We do have a couple of paper packs, not a ton. I think there's like 20 or something like that. Paper packs, if you just want to pick those up and didn't want the full deco kit, we will have those available Friday. Let's go over the wiggle first. This wiggle does come to the shop on Wednesdays at noon Eastern. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys this. I don't remember what the name of it is, but you'll see on Wednesday. You'll see later today. So this is what it looks like. It is so pretty. I'm gonna do on Instagram like a little video of it in the light, but it's like a sparkly blue, which is perfect for summer and even winter. But I am in love with this. Let me show you guys on the icon sheet. But it is so pretty. I love these like sparkly colors. We have a ton more sparkly colors to come. No other sparkly blue though, so this is definitely one you need to pick up. I'm gonna do, like I said, a little picture like video in the light for you guys, just because I feel like these like hollow sparklies pick up the best there. But I love this. I'm just obsessed with like the sparkly colors. I feel like this would look really cool with hollow, but also would look really cool with silver. But you could also, I mean, I think it would look cool if you found the right kit with gold. Like I feel like there's like a really cool contrast there, but I am in love with this set. Look at it, it's so pretty. So good with hollow, but it looks so pretty with silver too. So that is the wiggle for this week. I think it's gonna be like shimmering waters or something they were talking about, but we'll see on the name. So if you guys have any name suggestions, you could leave them down below, but that'll be available Wednesday at noon Eastern. I'm gonna go through the kits first and then get into the non-kit items. So let's go ahead and go through the monthly options first. I haven't done a monthly in a while, mostly because I was waiting to see what the new Erin Condren looks like. I will note that if you are using the new Erin Condren, which I will be using the new Erin Condren starting this July, so in a month, or actually less than a month, you will need to trim the top of the stickers just a smidge. I think it's like 1/8 of an inch. I was going to do like a cut line, but I felt like that was kind of like, it would be kind of odd looking for those who are using the old Erin Condren. So I went ahead and kept it, and you can trim it if you are using the new Erin Condren like I am. So let's go ahead and go over this first. So I did do a poll, and whenever I looked at it last, it was Mermaid that was winning. So I did make this into a monthly. I feel like this would be really cute in summer, but it also could be a very cute like anytime kit. And then you have the boxes, super cute, and the extra full boxes on top. These are our monthly kits. They no longer have, well, it's been a couple, like almost, I feel like 6 months since I think December was the last month we had the date on it, so it would be about 6 months. It doesn't have the month on it, but we do have monthly scripts that you can put on top, which makes the kits way more universal, and I just think it's fun to collect them and be able to use them whenever I see fit. So this is the kit, and then you do have the option for add-ons. So there is a fashion like deco sidebar add-on, and then there's also the functional, which is super pretty as well. A lot of people have been picking these up to use with their weekly kits and putting them in the sidebar, which is a super, super cute idea. So that is Mermaid, and then the second kit I have here is actually based on the art for, I think it was June. When did we ship last? July's already done, and I'm like looking at it like it's collated, it's ready. We're just waiting for new spots, and then we'll be shipping those. Or is that August? What month is this? That's July. Okay, so this was for June's mystery. I love this art. I just think it's so pretty. All of our mysteries are exclusive art. The last mystery I used for a monthly was October, which was like the winter library, but I love this kit. I love this girl. I just think she's so pretty. And then this is the like labels page, and then these are the boxes. Super, super cute. So that is the monthly. Oh my God, so pretty. I'm actually a little bit behind on monthlies, but I like to do those as just like kind of one memory a day type things. So I'll be kind of going backwards and doing those. And then same thing, this one also does have an option for a deco sidebar, and then also an option for the functional. Super, super cute. So those are 2 monthly options. Definitely going to try and get more on a roll with getting the monthly options out for you guys. So let's go ahead into the kits for this week. I'm going to show you guys this one first. So this is called Mermaids Only. And this art just came out and I thought it was super pretty. I did a lot of like kind of different elements and kind of did a lot of different overlaying of a lot of the art and things like that to make some cool different textures in the background. So this is the little freebie here. I'm obsessed with this kit. In my planner, if you guys don't know, I feel like 80% of what I use is exclusive to SPCR, and then like 20% is like art that's available to everyone. And this is for sure going to be in my planner. It's beautiful. I'm obsessed. I did some really cool like overlaying with the sand texture with like a paper that was in the like art with then like glitter on top, and I think it looks super cool. Also, this brick I've used a bazillion times, which is also drawn by TWG. I think it might have been in an exclusive kit, but I overlaid I think I overlaid this pattern on top of that, maybe. I overlaid something on top of it, and instead of it being black, it kind of is like a multicolor, which is really cool. And then the glitter itself is also kind of like a multicolor. It's different than the glitter in like Magic 2.0 and things like that. It matches the kit colors, but it is so pretty throughout. It's honestly like one of the most stunning kits I feel like I've ever seen, and I just feel like it's definitely going to be a bestseller. I love these colors. So pretty. You have your ombre art checklist, you have your functional page. You can kind of see the like faux glitter a little bit better there. You have your half boxes. You have this page here with your extra full box, and then I'm just obsessed. I'm just literally obsessed. I wanted to do a blue, but Jessica was like really heavy on the green. I usually ask her for like what she thinks of colors, and I think that it turned out perfectly. I think it gives it a really like mermaidy vibe with the green versus the blue, but like, oh my goodness, it's so pretty. And I love this bottom washi. I just think it's so pretty. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the extras if you want to add these on. So you do have the option if you want to add on the label sampler a la carte. There is also the option if you want to add on the glitter sampler a la carte. There is also the option, which is just so gorgeous, I'm like dying, is the 15mm bottom washi add-on. Oh, it's so pretty. It's like the sand with the overlay of the paper with the overlay of the like multicolored glitter dyeing. And then there's also the fashion add-on, which is kind of similar to the Sticker You add-on that I did last week. It's all even like the tones of like the skin tones are a little bit like greeny, so I think it like really just it really works with this kit. So I love this. It's so fun. I love this tail. I recolored that from a set from a while ago, and the girls too, and these are just so pretty. I thought this one reminded me of Jessica. Love everything about it, but I just love this new kind of like 4 regular and then 2 tall, so you kind of get a little bit of a variety. Loving it, loving it, loving it. So that is mermaid only, and I love this purple color. It is so pretty. I'm so excited to lay this out. I don't know what foil color. I feel like I'm kind of leaning towards, we have some like really pretty glitter ones coming in like weeks, but I don't know. I feel like this one might be like best paired with like hollow or hollow with sparkly hollow. Hollow, sparkly, hollow mixed. I think that might be actually the route that I go. Oh no, we got some good stuff coming, guys. We always do. We have good stuff coming all the time. So let's go ahead and go through the mini kit version of this. We do unlimited stock on all of our stickers that we make and shop. So these type of stickers for the weekend of the release. So if you are a mini kit user, definitely hop on that because they do tend to sell out. This would also be really pretty with rose gold. Just saying, like real pretty. Let me show you. It'd be pretty, actually. It's one of those ones that would look really pretty with any foil color. So here's it with rose gold, like stunning. And then you have with silver, which would still be really pretty. Hollow, which is kind of like where I'm leaning, but also the rose gold is really pretty. And then also gold. Gold could also work. So it's really like one of those kits that could go like any foil, which is like super fun because then it kind of, you know, it makes it a little bit different for everyone, which I really like. Then I have some art here that was released a while ago, and I was like, you know what? I need another Disney kit in my life, so I went ahead and used it, and I just think this is super cute. So I'm calling this Main Street Magic. This is the little freebie here. This is the ultimate kit, and I just think it is so cute. I love the girls. So this is also like a double box. So there's 2 double boxes. This is just separated on the page just for like symmetry. But I love this thing. It's super cute. I love the very like pastel colors. Especially this blue is really pretty, and then you have the faux gold glitter throughout, which I think just really makes it super, like, I don't know, just super special. It just looks very Disney. And then you have a ton of deco over here. And then you have your bottom washi. I'll go ahead and go through the add-ons. There is also the 15mm strip if you want to add that on. There is also the label sampler if you want to add that on. There is 2 different options for the glitter headers. I haven't done a solid gold in a while, and this is a really pretty light champagne gold. So there's that one, and there's also the regular glitter option if you want to add that on. And last but not least, there is Fashion Girls, which I love. So you do have the double box of the castle, which does differ from this double box because there is like fireworks and it's a little bit more zoomed out, and I like kind of like, you know, did the things. And then there's the 2 girls here, which have the different colored jerseys to these ones. The spirit jersey, this one has like a pink, a blonde to pink ombre, which I love. And then you have the tall boxes here with the castle, which I also love. Love it all, love it all, love it all. So really excited about that and cannot wait to use it. I think I'm going to use it for my January trip. Me and Jessica are going as a birthday trip, but an early birthday trip because she is in the dental hygiene program. So congratulations, Jessica. She is Smart Cookie, and I don't know how many days she could take off during the school year, so we're going to do our birthday trip in January whenever she has a month off. So I might use this as one of my kits for that week because I usually like split it up. I do plan my Disney trips so that I can use 2 different Disney kits. Judge me later. And then this is the mini kit. It does come in the mini kit as well. Let's go ahead into I don't know if you guys are ready for this. So let's go into the regular stuff first, and I'll save like the kind of best for last in my opinion, because a lot of you guys are gonna think it's really cool and a lot of you guys are gonna think it's really crazy. So I do have some scribblers for this week. We do have them in all 3 options, but I just brought the Celestes up. So this is the little Celeste running. These have all been released in the past, but these are just the new formatted sheets. Then you have the yoga ones, the weightlifting ones, and then the running ones. Amanda, if you're watching, I know you need all of them. You need all of them. Then we're gonna go into the foil releases for this week. So this is actually super highly requested. This is actually the 15mm strip with the kind of confetti dots. Super requested since we did put it on the wiggle format for the 2 wiggles ago, actually. But I love this so much, and I use them all the time. Then there is a full box. Where is it from? There is a full box quote box. So this says planner friends make the best friends on top, and then SPC planner party on the bottom. And these are the full boxes. Then I have 2 scripts for this week. So the first one is the film edit upload. Super cute, very requested. So I didn't want to do individual sheets of them just because I felt it was a little bit more of a niche market with these. So film edit upload, and you have 4 sets of them, so you still get quite a bit on there for $1.45 a sheet, or if you buy all 3, you do get like a little discount on that. And then this one, I wasn't going to release this one for a couple more weeks, but if Emily asked me one more time, I was going to lose my mind. And then Amanda was like, I need those too. So I was like, I'm just going to list them this week. And Emily said that a lot of you guys have been asking for them, and I used one this week as well. It's the In My Feelings script, and it is inspired by Emily. She wanted this as a custom, but I thought that, you know, I could get some use out of this, and a lot of you guys could get some use out of this, so that'll be available as a script as well. Then not last, but close to last is some vinyl. So this one is Gold Sparkle. I think this is actually the last batch of vinyls we have for a while. So this is Gold Sparkle. It's a little bit more of a fine kind of bronzy gold sparkle. And then this one is a blue sparkle, which is a really pretty like teal aqua kind of sparkle. Super pretty, again, very fine. And then last but not least, we do have Black Glossy. I think the black matte might have sold out. So this is Black Glossy, and those are the vinyls that are going to be releasing this week. And last but not least, I have these. Yeah, these. So I don't really know what to call them yet. I'm kind of thinking extenders and extenders part 2, extenders or extender full boxes, extenders something. So my thought process here was, sometimes, I don't know if you guys have ever been here, but you know, you're planning your day and you have so much that you want to put in your day, whether it's an event, a vacation, your wedding day, the birth of your child, a birthday party, going on a weekend trip, but you have so much in your day that you cannot fit it. You know, usually people put like a full box, and then here they have 2 boxes. You have too much to put in. So my mind went through, and there's a lot of people who've done like little half boxes that say shush, it's a secret or whatever, like Mark has done those. And like you put secret stuff in there. I don't need secret stuff. I don't got any secrets. But I do have problems where I have too many plans and I need more space. Look how cool this is. So basically I took the same type of situation, and these are gonna be super inexpensive, like so cheap as I can go, because they're literally like, there's no printing, so there's no misfitting, so like, and I could like, it's simple. So I'm gonna make them as inexpensive as I can for you guys, and like, just like, look at this. Look at this. It's so fun. So I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a quick little demo on how these works in my practice planner. So let me go ahead and grab a full box real quick. Should have been a little bit more prepared, but you know, it's not a thing when I'm not prepared. Okay. So the idea here is these are long strips. So there's 3 long strips on this sheet. So you could go ahead and peel that off. It is exactly two full boxes tall. So these are not exactly full box length. So you could go ahead and put it down, like let's say above your glitter header. And then you just fold it down upon itself. You could totally, like, if you had like sticker paper, you could do this at home, but if you don't, I'm gonna be making them for you. So you go ahead and put that down. So your first option here is you can buy the full boxes. So these are just white cut full boxes. I'm sure there's other ways that you could use these creatively if you buy them, but you could totally take this full box and place it down, and then you can put stuff on top and then have stuff on the inside. But I'm going to be selling them separately, because you could also just take a full box and then place it right on top, and then you get your flap underneath. Cool, right? So then you can do like what I did, is I had a little bit too much stuff to put in here. I didn't film a video on this. It was just, honestly, this spread took me like 3 hours. But you could just do that. It's super cool. Another thing you could do as well, if you just bought these instead of and you didn't want to buy like the white ones, you could also just put a bougie box over top of it, since the background is white, and you can also use it like that too. I personally probably will mostly use them with full boxes on top, because I like the look of extending the day. Obviously, you're not going to need these like super often, and I will say that it does take a little while for them to kind of like sit down. I did just do this spread like yesterday, I think, or kind of today and yesterday. So they are already like weighing down, but I think it just kind of gives like a really cool look, even though they kind of stick up a little. But I don't know, I really love it. I think it's super it's also kind of bougie, but at the same time just like really practical for like those special days where you don't want to cut anything down, but also don't want to get rid of a full box, you know? But I love this. Obviously it's not for everyone. I know that it seems kind of crazy, but at the same time, I feel like there's gonna be a lot of you who are like, oh wow, I could totally use that for X, Y, and Z. So I'm gonna go ahead and list these and make them as inexpensive as possible, because like I said, there's no printing, so there's no miscutting, so it should honestly be a pretty easy production process. So I hope you guys like them. I'm like super obsessed with them, and I think for like trips and special days and things like that where you don't want, or if you did want to put some secret stuff in there, whatever you want to do, but I think it looks super cool. So that is the end of my new release video. If you guys have any, I think I'm gonna call them extenders, but like the full boxes, extender full boxes maybe? I don't know. Extender long and extender full boxes, or just extender and blank full boxes maybe? Oh, I love it. I love how like interactive it makes your like planner flap book, and I feel like the like Instagram picture is gonna be super fire like this. But I love it. This was my week last week. If you guys wanted to see, this is using the I can show you the world. Why isn't it coming to my mind? A whole new world. I always want to say part of your world, but that's like another whole different princess. So love this spread. Love these new extender boxes. This planner is pretty much done for me. I have like 4 more spreads, but I'll be filming those for sure. I think I'm actually going to make one a talk through. But again, I hope you guys like this week's new releases. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. If you guys have any name ideas for these, I just love them. Again, if you can make a sticker at home, you could definitely do it, but we're going to have them available if you can't in our glossy paper. So that's everything for this week. I hope you guys like this week's new release video, and I will talk to you guys in my next one.